The next topic that we are going to do the different log cases. The first log case can be when you have been given u, the power is v. So I have already discussed with you in case of log, if you have to take log, so here it becomes n log m. And then we can take the differentiation in the way as we want. So let us see some examples related to u raised to power v log cases. Now this is a question, in such cases you may be asked to calculate the differentiation. So first step is same that we have done in every question, keeping this equal to y. Now if you want to solve this simply, you can solve it. But you know that we have done this portion a's power x is equals to a's power x into log a. This we have done, but here both the functions are same. So in such cases we try to solve these questions with the help of logarithm. Now here you will write taking log on both the sides. So when you take log on both the sides, then only we can apply this UV principle of the log. So it will be log y on the left hand side, and here when you will take log on the right hand side, it will become x log x. This is u raised to power v case. X will come forward and this log x. Now what we will do is we will write differentiating on both the sides. Now we will have to take differentiation on both the sides. Now if you take differentiation on the left hand side, it will be log y's differentiation is 1 upon y into dy upon dx. This we have done in the previous questions also. On the right hand side you can see there is uv principle. So it will be x log x, and differentiation of log x, that is 1 upon x, plus log x, differentiation of x will be 1. So here we can say that it will be 1 upon y dy upon dx. This will be cancelled. It is 1 plus log x. So ultimately if you have to show the differentiation only, it will be divided, but it will be going there, so it will be multiplied. So y 1 plus log x. Now we have got our answer, but this answer is in the form of y. But our question was this. So we will just replace the value. What was y? Y was x raised to power x. So here we will put x raised to power x 1 plus log x. This will become our answer. This is another question which we can solve with the help of log. So let us suppose this to be equal to y. So now you will have to take log on both the sides. So on the left hand side it will be log y is equals to, this x will come in the front, it will be x log 1 upon x. So now if you want to take the differentiation before that, taking its differentiation may be little difficult, but if we open this x log 1 minus log x, this also you have done that when this is m upon n principle, so it is m minus m. So we have opened it. So now on the left hand side we have log y, and on the right hand side we have this. So now again you will write taking the differentiation. If you take the differentiation on the left hand side, so log y's differentiation will be 1 upon y into dy upon dx. And differentiation on this side will be, so before taking this side differentiation we can further ease it down also. You know that the value of log 1 is always equal to 0. So you can write here this value is 0 minus log x. So ultimately internally it will be minus log x. So when you will solve this entire portion, it will become minus log x. So now we can say that it is minus x log x. So this is what we will get after solving this. So now if this is product rule will be applicable over here. So minus we can put outside, x into differentiation of log x will be 1 upon x plus log x, differentiation of x will be 1. So we need not write this, it will be cancelled. So now what we are left with, on the left hand side we have 1 upon y dy upon dx, and on the right hand side we have 1 plus log x, and outside we have minus sign. So from here if you want to calculate dy upon dx, So directly it can be, it will be divided, so it will be again multiplied. So minus y 1 plus log x. So finally if we put the value of y what we have assumed in the question, so it will be minus 1 upon x whole power x 1 plus log x. So in this question also we can make out that this is u upon raised to power v or m raised to power n principle can be applied here. So starting with the question, if you take log on both the sides, on the left hand side it will be log y, and this 1 plus x will come forward, again log 1 plus x. So now we can differentiate on both the sides. If we differentiate the left hand side, it will be 1 upon y dy upon dx, and here you can see uv rule is applicable. So 1 plus x into differentiation of log 1 upon x will be 1 upon x, again differentiation of 1 plus x, differentiation of 1 plus x will be 1 only, it will be 0, it will be 1, so we need not write that, plus log 1 plus x, and differentiation of 1 plus x will be 0 plus 1, that is 1, again we need not write it. Now it will be cancelled over here. So from here if you have to calculate the value of dy upon dx, we can say that what is left with us is 1 plus log 1 plus x. So we are left with this, and y is here, so it will go there and multiplied over here. So now if you want to just write the final answer, the value of y, we will write the value of, fill the value of y. Value of y was 1 plus x power 1 plus x. It is same. Inside we are left with 1 plus log 1 plus x. So this is the answer. Now in this question you have been given x, x power x, x power x, like that you may be given. So solving it with the log, so we can put it equal to y. So if we take log, it will be log y, x log x power x. So this first x has come in the front, so we are left with x log x. Now again if we want to resolve this power, what we can do is we will take again the log. So what we can write is log of log y. So we are taking log again. So it is x log x. This is x log, this also has come forward. So x log x. Now if you want to take differentiation of this, it will be little complicated, but we can take it. So if we take the differentiation of first part, it will be 1 upon log y into 1 upon y. Again we have taken differentiation of log y, that is 1 upon y, with dy upon dx. I hope you understand. First we have taken the differentiation of this, it is 1 upon log y, then its differentiation is 1 upon y, again dy upon dx. On the right hand side if you observe, you have three functions, 1, 2 and 3. So u, v, w rule can be applicable. So what we used to do in the that rule, so first for example I am taking these two x log x and taking differentiation of this, it is 1 upon x, plus now I am taking differentiation of this, so it is x log x into 1 upon x, plus I am taking differentiation of this, it will be log x into log x, differentiation of x will be 1. So this is u, v, w rule we have applied. Now again on the left hand side it will be same, here it can be deleted, here it can be deleted, it will be log x square. So on the right hand side what we can write is, we are left with log x, again log x plus log x square, and these two also we can write 2 log x. So instead of writing log x plus, so I am writing here 2 log x. So this is the right hand side. On the left hand side we are having this. So if you want to now calculate dy upon dx, here we have still this left. So if you want to write this, how we will be writing it? So dy upon dx will be is equal to, this right hand side will be exactly same, 2 log x plus log x square divided by, so it will be divided, ultimately it will be multiplied, it will go above. So it will be multiplied by y log y. So if you want to write your answer in a more meaningful manner, then we can say that dy upon dx is equals to y log y into 2 log x plus log x whole square. Correct? But we cannot write the answer in y form, so we will be replacing y with our whatever has been given. So it is xxx log xxx 2 log x plus log x whole square. So here you can write whole square because it is the square with x as well and log x as well. Everywhere it is square. This is another question which can be solved with the help of MN principle. So here x raised to power y is equals to y raised to power x. Here we will directly start with taking log on both the sides. If we take log on this side, it will be y log x. Taking log on this side, it will be x log y. So now taking differentiation. So again, these are two functions. UV principles will be applied on both the sides. If we take this differentiation, it is y, and the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x. Differentiation of y will be dy upon dx. Coming to the right hand side, x differentiation of log y will be 1 upon y dy upon dx plus log y, and differentiation of x will be 1, so we need not write this. So here we are having y upon x plus log x into dy upon dx, and on the right hand side we have x upon y dy upon dx plus log y. So now what we can do is we can just assemble the things which have this dy upon dx common. So if I take dy upon dx common, this is the first, that is log x is there, and here also dy upon dx is common. It will come on this side, it will become minus x upon y. This will stay on the right hand side log y, and this y upon x also will be moving to the right hand side. Now we can take LCM on this side. If I take the LCM in the next step, so our left side dy upon dx, it will be equal to taking the LCM is y, so y log x minus x. So you can see here, if I take the LCM, y will go here, y log x minus x. This is what has been written, and bracket close. On the right hand side also you can see that we can take the LCM. So we take the LCM will be x, so x log y will be there. So taking the LCM, it will be x log y minus y divided by x. So now simply we will be calculating dy upon dx. So our dy upon dx is equals to, this will be divided on the right hand side. So ultimately it will become y x log y minus y divided by x y log x minus x. So we have seen such questions also that can be solved with the help of log. Now we will see. We have seen that the same term has been repeated infinite times. So if this is equal to y, so we can say that x power y. So I hope you all understand this, because y is same, x power x power x power. So I have replaced that powers with y. So now the question is very simple. Now we can start with taking log on both the sides. So if we take log, it will be log y is equals to y log x. So now differentiation, if we take differentiation on the left hand side, it is 1 upon y dy upon dx. Here we will apply UV rule, product rule. So y differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x differentiation of y is dy upon dx. So now if we take this and this, we can take dy upon dx common. So from the left hand side we have 1 upon y minus log x, because it will go on that side. So minus log x is equals to y over x. This is our y and this is x. So this is what you will be getting. So now from here, if you take the LCM on the left hand side, dy upon dx, so y 1 minus y log x is equals to y upon x. Correct? So now if you finally want to write the answer, so it will be divided and opposite multiply, so it will be y square divided by x in the bracket 1 minus y log x.